Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 Soundbar, a sleek and powerful sound solution for anyone looking to enhance their home audio experience. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let us take a closer look at what makes the soundbar a standout. Sound performance, punchy bass and crisp clarity. The JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 really delivers when it comes to audio performance. This soundbar is equipped with 300 W of total power output, which is more than enough to fill medium to large rooms with rich, detailed sound. The audio is crisp, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just listening to your favorite playlist. What really makes the soundbar stand out is its 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer. The subwoofer packs a punch, delivering deep and powerful bass that adds extra impact to explosions in movies or beats in music. If you're a fan of action movies or bass-heavy tracks, this is the kind of setup that will truly elevate your experience. The low-end response is solid, without overwhelming the mids and highs, which means dialogue in movies remains clear, even during intense bass moments. Simplicity meets power. JBL has done a fantastic job of creating a soundbar that is both simple to use and powerful. It features a 2.1-channel setup, which means you get left and right channel audio, plus the dedicated subwoofer for that booming bass. The Dolby Digital support adds to the surround sound experience, making it feel like the sound is enveloping you from all sides, without the complexity of a true surround sound system. One of the best features here is the Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily connect your phone, tablet, or any Bluetooth-enabled device to the soundbar for a seamless wireless streaming experience. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to listen to your personal music library, pairing your device with the soundbar is a breeze, and the connection is rock solid. Design and build quality. The JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 has a sleek, minimalistic design that will blend well with most home entertainment setups. It comes in black, which gives it a modern, unobtrusive look. The soundbar itself is compact and can fit comfortably under most TVs, while the subwoofer is wireless, making placement flexible and hassle-free. You won't have to deal with unsightly wires running across your room, and the wireless subwoofer can be placed anywhere to optimize your sound. In terms of build quality, JBL is known for producing durable and reliable products, and the Bar 2.1 MK2 is no exception. The soundbar and subwoofer both feel solid and well constructed, so you can expect the setup to last for years. User-friendly setup and controls. Setting up the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 couldn't be easier. It comes with all the necessary cables and mounting hardware, so you can get it up and running in no time. Simply connect it to your TV via HDMI ARC, optical cable, or even an auxiliary cable, and you're good to go. The soundbar also comes with a remote control, which is intuitive and easy to use, giving you quick access to adjust the volume, switch between inputs, and control the bass levels. The wireless subwoofer automatically pairs with the soundbar, so there's no need to fuss with syncing or complex setup procedures. You just plug everything in, and it works right out of the box, which is a huge plus for anyone who isn't tech savvy or just wants a hassle-free experience. Versatile performance for all types of media. What I really love about the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass is how versatile it is. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, the sound performance adapts well to different types of content. For movies, the soundbar provides clear dialogue and booming bass for action scenes. Music fans will appreciate the full, rich sound that delivers both highs and lows with impressive clarity, while gamers will love the immersive audio that brings them deeper into their virtual worlds. Final thoughts, is the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful, simple to use soundbar that can handle movies, music, and gaming with ease, the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 is a fantastic option. With 300 W of power, deep bass from the 6.5-inch subwoofer, Bluetooth connectivity, and a sleek design, this soundbar punches well above its weight. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio experience without breaking the bank or dealing with the complexity of a full surround sound system. The wireless subwoofer adds an extra layer of flexibility, and the Dolby Digital support ensures that your sound experience feels full and cinematic. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, this soundbar offers incredible value and performance. So, if you're ready to transform your entertainment experience with richer sound, the JBL Bar 2.1 Deep Bass MK2 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.